Welcome to Born Cottage. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen, this is a 2-bedroom tiny house. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living room. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall and a single bed and two large glass windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And on the left side of the house we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burners, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 3 chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we will go inside. So on the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom, and we have also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of the room. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit, and we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.